Okay, so the first thing I got over here is this denominator, and I've got this -4 and I've got this 7. I can bring this -4 and the 7 into 1. Okay, so let's say I bring the 4 over and make it +4, canceling it out here. That'll become 3x plus 4 divided by x plus 5 equals to 11. And so from here now, I'm going to take 3x and I'm going to multiply it by x plus 5, okay, because that's going to be my common denominator. What I can see this is, I can see 3x as a fraction like this, 11 as a fraction like this. And I actually want to multiply the top and the bottom by x plus 5. So I want to multiply the top and the bottom by x plus 5. And so this becomes 3x times x plus 5 plus 4 equals 11 times x plus 5 for this. Okay. And I can remove the denominator because technically everything is over x plus 5 now. And so if I multiply this by x plus 5, it'll cancel. And if I multiply this by x plus 5, because it's an equation, it'll cancel as well. Okay. So I can keep this in a straight line like that. Now, I'm going to multiply 3x into the bracket twice. It's going to end up as 3x squared plus 15x plus 4 equals to 11x plus 55. And so this becomes 3x squared plus 15x minus 11x. I'm going to subtract 11x on both sides. So I'm going to subtract 11x on both sides of the equation. Canceling this out. And I'm going to subtract 55 on both sides of the equation as well, making the right-hand side 0. 15 minus 11 is 4. So that comes to 4x. And then 4 minus 55 is minus 51. And so this is going to be finalized here. It's going to be on the left-hand side, or final part of this, it's going to be that. Back to the quadratic formula. And so using the quadratic formula, we know that x is equal to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And so carefully we can see a equals to 3, b equals to 4, and c equals to negative 51. And so from this, I can see x is equal to minus 4 plus minus the square root of b squared, which is going to be 4 squared, minus 4, by the way, there's a c over there, 4 times 3 times negative 51, all divided by 2 times 3. And so negative 4 plus minus the square root of 16. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 51. Let's see what 12 times 51 will be. 12 times 51 is 612. Plus 16, 628. Whole over 6. X equals minus 4 plus minus the square root of 628 divided by 6. We put this in a calculator to get two values of x. And we put it in there one at a time, pressing the fraction button first. So we end up with negative 4 plus the square root of 628 divided by 6. That comes to 3.5. That comes to 3.5, 1. And if I change it into a minus, it'll become negative 4.84. Negative 4.84. And so those are my two x values which will fulfill that equation over there.